Hi guys, long time no see. This time, I've noticed that many of you are interested in X, but still don't know how to create multiple X accounts at once. So in this video, I will share with you how I create multiple X accounts on the Hide My Ac profile and run them simultaneously on one computer. Please note that if you use the same computer to register multiple accounts with the same IP address, sooner or later, the website will detect that it's the same user. So, there's no need to try to register multiple accounts because it's just a waste of time. Okay, that's enough. Now, let's prepare some essential materials. Email, you can use Gmail, Outlook, or MailTM. I've registered using MailTM, and the accounts seem to work fine. Next is a proxy to change your IP address. It's best to have a proxy per one account, so use residential proxies instead of data center ones. Finally, the device. To prevent websites from detecting multiple accounts, you can use software to change your device's parameters, browser fingerprint, such as anti-detect browser Hide My Ac, virtual machines, so on. I prefer using the anti-detect browser because it's more convenient, cost-effective, and offers better security. Okay, let's get started. First of all, open Hide My Ac. You can create a new folder named X Twitter, add a color tag for easy differentiation. Next, create a new profile. Name the profiles in numerical order. You can name them with the username after signing up for a Twitter account. Don't forget to add proxies. You can buy from any provider. I will create 3 Hide My Ac profiles one by one, with each profile being associated with a different proxy. So there are profiles I have created. Now I will proceed with these 3 profiles at the same time. Let's run the profiles. Open Twitter and sign up. Click on Create Account to start the registration. First, you need to enter your username. Choose email. Visit mail.tm to get your mail. I have created my Twitter account with MailTM, that's okay, so don't worry too much. Choose your date of birth. Remember, over the 18. Next. Now you can check your account information. Then click on Sign Up button. Twitter will require you do authentication to prove that you are human. The CAPTCHA will vary, just follow Twitter's instructions to solve it. I will solve the CAPTCHA one by one for each profile. Finish the first one. Twitter will send a verification code to MailTM. Go to the page to get it and enter the code here. Click Next to set the password. Next, upload an avatar and username. You can skip this for now. Then, select a few more things as per X's requirements to complete one profile. I will do the same for the remaining profiles. CAPTCHAs are solved. Enter the code sent to MailTM. After creating the password, you can skip the setup steps. And now 3 new Twitter accounts have been successfully signed up. I have just showed you guys on how to create multiple Twitter accounts simultaneously on the same computer. After creating, you need to set up your accounts and warm them up. The way to warm up accounts is upon each individual. When you meet the demand, you can subscribe to premium account. In the next video, I will guide you on how to set up Twitter accounts. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you found it useful, please give it a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.